And who is watching me YouTube right now? You can see I start this lesson right now here in YouTube too, guys. Right now I'm recording the class. Don't worry, I'm recording just my screen. I'm not recording you. Guys, attention over here. Enter ticket, and I want to see your journals. Everybody, doesn't matter if you are watching this in video YouTube or in the class right now, me in live. How do I solve one-step rational equation? Journals, nice Helena, nice Gui, nice Clara, nice Pietra. Great, thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys, for showing me the journals. And remember, it is very important you take notes right now about everything we're talking about. Great. Nice, guys. Thank you for showing me the journals. And please write this question right now in your journal. You have 1 minute to do it. How do I solve one-step rational? It is decimals and fractions equations. Copy this information. You have 1 minute right now. Great. Thirty seconds. Okay, time is done. Guys, remember, okay, Elena, no problem. I will read this again. How do I solve one-step rational? Decimals and fractions equations. Please, attention over here, and we go over this thing and to understand about how to do it, how to solve it. Great. Can I change the slide right now? Thumbs up? Yes? Nice. I will change it. Don't worry. I will share it with you in the end of the class too. Guys, right now, pen and journal. Let's work. Mister, the steps for rational equations is different for the other steps? Remember, guys, to be true on thing, they have to follow the same pattern. And as you can see, the pattern is the same. The steps is still the same. Step 1, locate the variable. Remember, you need to find the variable. Step 1 is still the same. It's still step 1. Step 2, determine the operation tied to the variable. It's the same thing. We need to verify the operation tied to the variable. Step 3, you need to use the inverse operation, the opposite operation. Great. Remember that. And step number 4 is still the same thing. You need to check your solution. Nice. The steps is still the same. Don't change it. And how can I solve it, mister? Here is, we start with decimals. Great. Let's start with decimals, and after, give time to your work. Great. Step number 1. Step number 1, I have to locate the variable. Where is the variable? Right hand side or left hand side? Oh, right and left. Oh, sorry. Where is it? Left hand side. Let's highlight this information then. Left hand side, here's my variable. What math operation is tied to the variable? Addition. Great. I'm adding 7.8. What is the opposite math operation of adding? What? Nice. Subtracting. We are subtracting 7.8. And what do I have to do right now? Solve. Okay, let's solve right now. 2 minus 8. No, I need to borrow. Hey, 5, can you borrow me? Oh, yes, why not? 12. 12 minus 8, it is 12 minus 8, yes, 4. Great. Remember to bring it down the decimal point. I think you remember that thing, adding and subtracting decimals. 4 minus 7, Hey, 1, can you borrow me? Yes, I can, but I will not have nothing after. Okay, no problem. 14 minus 7, 7. 7, nice. And my answer, it is x equals 7.4. Great, we find out this one. Right now I need to check. You write here 7.4 plus, let me change the color, plus 7.8 is equals 15.2. Guys, right now to check, I will allow you to use calculators. Please have a calculator next to you and check this for me, please. If it is true or false. Somebody can check it for me. Use the calculator. If you don't have a calculator, you can use your computer. Okay, is it true? I will show here. Can you see my calculator here in the presentation? Yes, can you see? Thumbs up. No, nice. Let me show here. Let's use the calculator. It is 7.4 plus 7.8, 15.2. Yes, is it true? Then it is a true solution. True. Guys, you can use calculator just to check. Great. Don't use the calculator for other stuff. Just check. Nice. Number 2. 30.5 equals W minus 2.9. Let's check right now the first step. Step number 1. What is step number 1, guys? Somebody can help me to remember. Yeah, where's the variable? Left or right? Left or right? Can you tell me where's the variable? Right. Thank you. Right. Here's my variable. W. Right now, what is the math operation tied to the variable? What is the math operation tied to the variable, guys? Subtracting 2.9. What is the opposite to subtract 2.9? What is the opposite? Yes, thank you, Clara. Adding 2.9. Let's add right now. 5 plus 9, it is 14. 14, carry 1. Bring it down the decimal point. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, it is 3. 3. And 3 plus 0, 3 again. 33.4 equals W. Right now, remember to check 33.4. It is results in, let me check here, 30.5. Results in 33.4 minus 2.9. Let's check in the calculator, guys. Where is my calculator? Over here. Let's check in the calculator. 30.5. Oh no, my bad. 33.4 minus 2.5.9. It is 30.5. Is it true or false, guys? True. Great. It is true. If it's a true statement, very nice. Thumbs up, guys. Did you understand? Yes. 1 minute and a half for you copy this information. 1 minute and a half. 10 seconds. And great, guys. Can I change the slide? Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Clara, Guilherme, Luisa, Megan, nice, great, great. Pietra, nice, great, great. I will change the slide. Olivia, can I change you? Nice. Thank you, thank you. Let's go ahead. What I have to do right now, guys, I want you to solve those exercises. I will write here the steps just for you remember. If you forgot, here's the step. Step number one. Sorry, guys. Step number one, it is. What I need to do? Yeah, locate the variable. Just write the variable here. Step number two. Step number two. Step number two, it is I need to check what? Yeah, the math operation. Okay, the math operation tied to the variable. Step number three, I need the opposite, the inverse operation. Inverse operation. And step number four, you can use calculator now to be quickly this one check. Great, guys. It's up to you to solve 3, 4, 5, and 6. You have 12 minutes. And after this time, I return here. Guys from YouTube, I will stop the video right now. And remember to solve the exercise, you'll find the PDF file. Great, guys. Right now, guys, let's solve this exercise together. Attention over here, how to solve it. And I will explain to you details, each detail, how to do it. Step number one, as I told you, locate the variable. Where is the variable here, number 3, guys? Left hand side or right hand side? Right, no, left. Here, yes, left. What is the math operation tied to the variable, guys? What is the math operation tied to the variable? It is, yes, subtracting 52.7. What is the opposite for 52.7? Plus, we're adding 52.7. We're adding right now. Let's add then. 3 plus 7, it is 3 plus 7, 10. Okay, carry 1. And decimal point, bring it down. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. 12. Carry 1 again. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 82. R equals 82. Let's check right now, guys. 82.0, just 82, okay, it's the same thing. 82 minus 52, oops, let's change the color here. 82 minus 52.7, the result, it is 29.3. Is it true or false? Can you check it for me? True, great. If you check in the calculator, you will see it is true. Number 4, where is the variable? Left or right? Left here, next to the number K. Okay, here. Nice. What is the math operation tied to the variable, guys? Yes, multiplying 2.5. What is the opposite to multiplying 2.5? Yeah, we are dividing by 2.5. Goodbye here. Guys, if you notice, my divisor is a decimal. Let's do it here, this over here. 2.5, as you notice, it is decimal. Great, we are dividing 62. How can I do it? Remember dividing decimal by decimal? What I need to do? Yeah, I need move the decimal point to the right. Yeah, I move this guy here and it will become 25. If I move this, I need to move the other two. I move this to here. Right now 620. Great. 25 and 620. Great. 620 divided by 25. How many times 25 goes into 6? How many times? 0. Great. 0 times. No times. Okay, 0. 0 here. How many times 25 goes into 62? 1, 2, 3. How many? How many times? 2 times. Great. 2 times. And it is 50. 62 minus 50, it is 12. Great. Bring it down 0. Let's bring it down. 120. How many times 25 goes into 120, guys? 0. 120. 25. Then 4 times. 4 times. Why miss it 4 times? 4 times 25, 100. And if you subtract, it will goes 20. Oh, mister, I have remainder and I can divide. Yes, that's what I do. I have decimal point here. Yeah, bring it up the decimal point. Decimal point right now is here, and add 0 and bring it down to 0. 200. How many times 25 goes into 200? 8 times. 8 times. And here's 200. You subtract, you got a 0. Great, guys. I got my number. My number is 24 and 8 tenths. And here, let me write this one. K equals 24 and 8 tenths. Let's check right now. Let's check then. I know my number is 24.8. I need to what? I need to figure out if 2.5 times 24.8 equals 62. Can you check, guys, in calculator, please? 2.5 times 24.8. Is it true or false? True. Great. If we're checking the calculator, guys, let me show to you. I have my calculator here with me. 2.5 times 24.8. What do we got? 62. Great, 62. This is a true statement. Next one. Where is the variable? The variable n is over here. N is here. What math operation tied to the n? What is the math operation tied to the n, guys? Somebody can tell me? Yeah, divided by 7.2. What is the opposite for divided by 7.2? Yes, we multiply by 7.2. Great. Let's do it. Let's do it over here. 13.8 times 7.2. Guys, can you help me to remember how I multiply decimals by decimals? I forgot. I am a bad teacher. I forgot. Somebody can help me? If I'm correct, guys, I need to multiply and don't care about the decimals. Yes, that's true. Okay, I multiply and don't care about the decimals. 2 times 8, 16. Carry 1. 2 times 3, 6. Plus 1, 7. 2 times 1, 2. Great. Right now I finish with the ones. Let's go to the tens. If I go to the tens, I need to start in the tens over there. 7 times 8, 56. Carry 5 right now. Carry 5. 7 times 3, 21. Plus 5, 26. Carry 2. 7 times 1, 7. Plus 2, 9. And let's add. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 6, 13. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. And 9 over here. Nice. My number is 90,936. Is it correct? It's done? Yes. The multiplication, yes. But the number is correct, guys. The decimal points. What I have to do about the decimals? Yes. I need to count how much decimals I have here after the place. How many place values I have after decimals. I have one place value here and one place value here. In the total, I have 2. Then I need to walk back 2. 1, 2. That's my number. 99 and 36 hundredths. That's it, guys. That's right here. 99.36 equals n. I need to check right now. 13.8 results in 99.36. Oh, let me write here, guys. Sorry about it. 99.36 divided by 7.2. It is the result 13.8. Can you check, guys, the calculator for me, please? It's true, yes? Nice. True statement, guys. And the last one, number 6. I have here 40 equals 0.08p. How can I do it? Where is the variable? Variable, guys? Yeah, to the right here, p. Here's my p. What is the math operation tied to the variable? Math operation tied to the variable. It is multiplying 8 hundredths. What is the opposite to multiply 8 hundredths? What is the opposite? I need to divide. I will divide this number by 0.08. Let's do it as we did before. Number 4, here we're doing again. Nice. Here's the number. I have 40 is my dividend. The big number will be divided by 0.08. Guys, how can I divide decimal by decimals? You helped me a few minutes ago. How can I do it? What I need to do with decimal point here? What can I do over here, guys? I need to move the decimal point to the right to get a whole number. How many times I'll move? 1 time, 2 times. Right now I have number 8. And here, mister, you need to do the same thing. I need to move 2 times. 1 time, 2 times. Right now, I have the number 4,000. I have 4,000 divided by 8. Let's work on it. How many times number 8 goes into 4? How many times it goes into 4? How many times? 4. Just 4. 0, yes? It's impossible. 8 goes into 4. Now 40. How many times 8 goes into 40? That's correct right now. The number it is 5. 5 times. Here's 5 times. And right now it's 40 And subtract will be 0, 0. Great, bring it down 0. How many times 8 goes into 0? How many times 8 goes into 0? 0, yes? 0 times. Then, okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. Let's bring it down the other 0. Okay, let me bring it down the other 0 here. How many times 8 goes into 0 again? 0. 0 times. 0 times. And here is the end of the equation. My solution, 500. Then what does it mean, Mr. P? 500 equals P. Let's check right now. Yeah, let's do it. I know my result is 500. And the math operation, work on it, it is 40. Results in 0.08 times 500. Is it true or false? True statement. You can check in calculator. Let me do it over here. We have 500 times 0.8 hundredths. It is 40. That's correct. Is it statement? It is true. Great, guys. Thumbs up. You understand? Nice. 2 minutes to copy this information. Okay, right now, guys, who is in YouTube and the video aula online right now? Attention, right now let's work a little bit about equations with fractions. Attention over here, I will explain to you. It is pretty simple, you know it already. Are you sure, Mr. Romeo? We know it? Yes, I am sure, you know it. The steps, Mister, the steps probably is different. The steps is the same. Attention over here. Step number 1. Somebody can help me. Step number 1 is the same step. I need. Yes, Petra? Yeah, the variable. Okay. Nice, Petra. You can just summarize the variable. Step number 2, what I need to find. Okay, the math operation tied to the variable. Okay, the operation. Step number 3. Inverse operation. Inverse operation. Step number 4. Check. Check. You need to check. Okay, guys. Here is all the steps. The same thing for everybody. Any kind of equations, guys. Even if you are there in grade 12. When you are seniors in year J, 2034, I think it would be senior. Okay, whatever. Okay, there in the future, when you be seniors, it will be the same rule. You remember, oh, my Mr. Romeo in grade 6 taught me this one. Yes, it's the same pattern. Don't change. Great. Let's go ahead here. Where is the variable? The variable, it is left or right? Left or right? Where is my variable? Where is the variable? Left. Thank you. Left. Okay, what is the math operation tied to the variable? Subtracting 3/10. We are subtracting 3/10. What is the opposite for subtracting 3/10? What is the opposite to subtract 3/10, guys? Okay, I'm adding 3/10. Adding 3/10. Goodbye here. And right now, solve it as I taught you. Guys, remember adding fractions? What is step number 1? Adding fractions. Multiply the denominators. 4 times 10. Oh, my bad, guys, sorry. Here, 4 times 10 It is, did you remember this one? 4 times 10, denominators first, 40. Okay, I know the denominator for new number is 40. Okay, it is 40. Great. And cross multiply 1 times 10. 1 times 10 it is 1 times 10, okay. And plus, okay, keep adding, I'm adding. And the other cross multiply 3 times 4, 12. Great. And just add, guys. 10 plus 12, it is 22 over 40. Here's my result. Mister, can I simplify? Yes, you can. You divide by 2. Let's divide by 2. 22 divided by 2, it is 11. 40 divided by 2, 20. Great. Done. Pretty simple, guys. X equals 11 divided by 20. Great. Here's the value of x. Nice. Let's check right now. Let's check then. 11 over 20 minus 3 tenths is equals to 1/4. Is it true or false? Mister, I don't know. How can I check? Use the calculator, guys. If you have a smartphone like Mr. Romeo, I think I know, probably everybody has one. Okay? You can work in the fractions using your smartphone. How, mister? How can I do it? You need to, maybe some calculators have fractions calculator. Or you can open a website called Calculator Soup. The Calculator Soup website or whatever. Or you can divide as usual. Great. You do 11 divided by 20. And you have the answer is 0.55. Plus, after this one, plus 3 divided by 10. And you got a number 2. It is 30. 0.23, 30 hundredths. You add will be 0.85. Or you are not adding, my bad. We are subtracting. My bad, we are subtracting. Minus 3 and 10. It is the result 0.25. 0.25 is 1/4. Is it true? Okay? Is it true? Nice, guys. I hope you understand this one because the pattern is the same for all fractions. Great. Let's go ahead. More exercise number 10. Let me solve number 10 right now with you guys. And after we understand more. Here I have, where is the variable? Number 10. Left or right? Left, okay, here. And math operation tied to the variable. I am adding 1/6. Great, I'm adding 1/6. What is the opposite to adding 1/6, guys? Yeah, yes, I subtract 1/6 right now. Great. Here is the math operation. We have it. Right now, let's do it. But mister, I have a mixed number over here. Guys, how can I convert mixed number to improper fraction? I taught you. You multiply the denominator and adding the numerator. And you keep the same value. Okay? 2 times 9, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 over 9 minus 1/6. Minus 1/6. Right now, subtracting. I taught you guys how can I subtract the fractions, multiply the denominator. 90 times 6, it is 9 times 6, guys. $54. And cross multiply. Let's start with orange. 22 times 6. 22 times 6, it is 6 times 2 is 12. Carry 1. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 1, 13. 132. And the other side right now. The other side here in blue. 1 times 9. 1 times 9, guys, 9. Great. You are subtracting, yes? Between them, you are subtracting. 132 minus 9, it is 121. Great. Oh, 23, yes? Yes, 23. 123 divided by 54. Great. Did you understand right now? Nice. I hope so. And I need a number to figure out here how many times I need to do it. Guys, let's divide it by 3, I think. By 3, and we got a simplified fraction. Let's divide by 3. Divide by 3, divided by 3, and it is 123 divided by 3. It is 120 would be 20. 21. 21. 21, I got this number. Okay, 3 times 1, 3 times 2. No, don't 20, more. 41. 41, my bad. 41. 41, guys, is the numerator. Denominator, it is 18. 41 divided by 18. Here's my fraction, guys. P equals 41 divided by 18. Right now, let's check. I have enough room over here. Let me check right now. 41 divided by 18. I subtracted from 41. Subtracted for 1/6 is equals to 22 over 9. Is it true or false, guys? You can use a website called Calculator Soup. Okay, so you got this one. Great. True, yes? Nice. Is it true? True statement. Yes? Yes? Yeah, no problem. You can use your... Guys, you can use in your smartphone. Let me teach you. Guys, who's in YouTube, no problem. Probably you cannot see my video right now because I'm teaching the guys. But use your smartphone and type the calculator, fraction calculator, and you find the first one, fraction calculator. Here, like my one. Okay, you can see here. Who is in home, you can see in the camera. Great. I type here fractions calculator. You go the first one, calculator soup. You open that one and you see the fraction calculator here. Nice. Mister, can I use it? Yes, guys. If I tell you to use, you have to use. Just to check, okay? Calculator, just to check, not to solve the problem. The fraction, it is 1/6. 1 over 6 minus 41 divided by 18. 41 and 18, and you hit oops. Okay, 18. Guys, like here, can you see it? I think you can see my calculator in the camera. Okay, I solve here all the fraction, and you hit calculate, and you got an answer. If you calculate, you will find the number. We are working on it. Great. Nice. And you'll find out this one. Great, guys. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. This one. And we solve this. Nice. Yes.